All right, I'm not really sure how to start this, guys. So, yeah, I'm normally a really happy guy. Like, I'm normally a happy guy. There's a lot of good stuff. I'm normally a happy guy. I enjoy the finer things, like we've got skateboarders here, they're enjoying themselves. You know, it's a great day today. But for the last couple of days, something really off has happened, and if you can see it now and you've noticed it already, you already know, but someone has basically destroyed the Womp Womp. And as you can see, someone has actually stolen the Womp Womp plates. Yeah. So yes, they were fully custom and road legal Womp Womp plates, and I parked it overnight. I normally have the car put underneath a cover, but for that one night, I didn't, because I was going out in the morning and I just thought, fuck it, why not? Just have it out in the open, and I come out straight away in the morning. It was a Sunday morning about 4 or 5 days ago, and it's all gone. The plates have been stolen. I'm not sure who did it. The police have all the information and they have some security camera footage as well. But for basically from this point on until further notice, the Womp Womp is no more. Now, I have sunk a lot of money into this car, into the name and the branding of the Womp Womp. Obviously the plates, they cost a lot of money. I've also made custom shirts for the Womp, and I paid a designer, and all this is basically about $1,000 just to design some Womp Womp merch. But all of that has now gone until we can get the plates back. So, yeah, it's not great news. Honestly, it's not great news. It's really affected me lately. The last couple of days, it's been absolutely horrid. Yeah, life has been awesome. Yeah, it's really affected me. I haven't been able to take her out as much as I wanted to. Monday meets and distortion cruises. I do like to attend meets very often, but obviously without the plates, I can't go out. I got these basic ass temporary plates for the moment, and it does not look good right now. I've let her go so much. The rims are dirty. The car looks so dirty. It has been a rough week for the Womp. So in the meantime, until we can recover the Womp Womp plates, this then leaves an opening for what plates should we get? What plate should I get for the new, I can't even call it the Womp anymore. What plate should I get for the new car? Give me all your suggestions, list it down below. I actually have no idea what to get. Yeah, it's really, really sucky. This is only gonna be a really, really, really short video, mainly because I can't do anything. I don't really feel like doing anything. It's really affected me a lot because of the money and the effort and time that I put into branding this car as the Womp Womp. Been invited to a lot of meets and cruises, and I've turned them down because I can't. Yeah, so it's really got to me. But yeah, the Womp Womp plates have been stolen, and it is really sad. I don't even know what to film, to be fair. Yeah. Just because they're stolen doesn't mean that the build is going to stop. What should we do next to the Womp Womp? I actually don't know. I'm thinking that we get a new fat wing on the back of the Womp. Maybe a different body kit. Maybe we get like a, I don't even know. What kit should we put on the Womp? Well, God, not even the Womp. What kit should we put on the Forg? Yeah, sorry if I'm not, look at the cool tricks that people in the back are doing. Sorry if I'm not as energetic as I normally am in all the videos. It's just, yeah, it has affected me. It's been a sad couple days coming to the realization that I might not get my plates back. It's upsetting, but that's okay. We move on, we keep moving forward. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys see or hear anything about my Womp Womp plates, let me know. There will be a $500 reward for anyone who can return my Womp Womp plates. So, yep, they are listed as stolen, but it is what it is. Anyway, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.